Tell about it.
This is little Tug. He's a boy. He is 8 days old today. He's very cute. Let's see if we could do a little side profile. He had his little tails done at 5 days. He's all black and he's got a little white streak down his chest. It's him here. And here's our little girl, who's actually a big girl. She's bigger than her brother. She has a little white dab on her chin and a small little dab of white on her chest. We're calling her Phoebe. And she weighs about 2 3/4 pounds, maybe a little more. And that's her. You have to say hello to the camera. Wow, she was very beautiful.